Welcome to week 2 of 5K training. I'm Chloe Smith, and today we're going to go through a series of mobility exercises to help you have a smoother stride. These exercises and movements are going to work your joints through a full range of motion to reduce stiffness before, during, and after a run. All you need is your body weight, so let's get started. Let's start with some full body mobility with a deep squat to row. Holding on to a bar, lean back with your arms straight. Drop your hips all the way down into that deep squat, and at the top, bend your arms to pull your chest forward into a row. If a bar is not available to you, you can always use a cable machine, some kind of sturdy post, and depending on your arm length, this move also works great standing inside of a door frame. Be sure to splay your feet out and drive your knees apart. Next, we'll set up for some deep runner's lunges. Place one foot up on a stool or bench. Bend your knee and drive your knee over your toes as you keep your back leg straight. Lean forward, try to keep your torso in line with your back leg. For a more challenging option, complete these on the floor. The goal is to get deep in that lunge and get as much of a bend in the knee as possible, but always move in a pain-free range of motion. Whether you took your runner's lunges on the bench or on the floor, frame your foot with your hands and go into some runner's lunge twists. Keep the opposite hand on the floor as you reach up with the same side hand as that front leg. Then step it back into a high plank. From your high plank, exhale into a downward dog, inhaling to return back to that plank. Continue switching from plank to downward dog, holding for a moment in each. Try to get your hips up high and biceps by your ears. Next, hold that down dog and walk it out. Bend one knee as you straighten the other, dropping the straight leg heel as close to the ground as you can. This one's great for ankle mobility. Our final mobility challenge is all about those hips. Keep your knees bent at 90 as you raise your foot back into a donkey kick, then knee out to the side and forward into a fire hydrant. Keep your elbows straight and belly button pointed down to isolate that hip. Hope you guys enjoyed those movements. I hope they help you feel more mobile, less stiff, and have a smoother stride. So complete all of the durations and rounds listed below, and you'll get one step closer to being 5K ready.